Okay, now, in order to create a blog or a website using WordPress with your smartphone, please install the WordPress app from the Play Store or the App Store with your iPhone. Touch on the app to launch the app. You have to log in. You can log in with your Google account by touching continue with Google right down here, and pick the Google account that you want to log into. And if you log into the WordPress app for the first time, you have to pick either one of these. And my advice is proceed with WordPress.com site, which is free, and pick a design which is a template for your blog or your website. And here I just pick a blog design. I select this and touch choose to choose the design. Next, I choose a domain name. This time I like to try to get this domain name for my WordPress site, blueviolet.wordpress.com. Okay, that seems to be taken. Never mind. I go on with bluevioletart.blog. And once you have made up your mind with your domain name, touch on the create site. Wait for the site to be created. Okay, here you can look at the layout of the site. Once you are happy with it, just touch OK. And here, a little help getting started. Just touch on never or no thanks. But if you can go ahead if you want. Here, this is the dashboard of your WordPress site, which you can see there are many options here. At the bottom here, you will find the view site and view admin. And view admin will take you to the internet browser, as they are not within the app. Same goes to the site will not be viewed within the app. So this app is to manage your site.